Welcome to the Common App Masterclass. This course is designed to walk students and parents through the Common application with total clarity and confidence. The Common App can feel overwhelming at first glance. Dozens of questions, multiple sections, and a sense that every detail matters. But when you understand what admissions officers are actually looking for, the entire process becomes far more manageable. This masterclass breaks everything down into simple, actionable steps so families know exactly what to do, what to avoid, and how to present a student's story in the strongest possible way. You'll learn how each section functions, how colleges interpret the information you provide, and how to avoid the most common mistakes that cost students opportunities. Whether you're applying to 3 schools or 15, this guide ensures you complete the application with accuracy, strategy, and calm. By the end, you'll feel fully equipped to submit a polished, compelling Common App. The Common application serves as the central hub for more than 1,000 colleges, allowing students to complete one standardized application and send it to multiple institutions. You will have to access it at www.commonapp.org. Instead of filling out separate forms for each stool, the Common App streamlines the process by collecting your personal information, academic history, activities, writing, and recommendations in one place. Colleges then receive this information and use it to understand who you are within the context of your school, family, and community. It's important to remember that the Common App is not just a form, it's a structured storytelling tool. Every section contributes to the narrative of your academic journey, your interests, your impact, and your potential fit on a campus. When completed thoughtfully, the Common App helps admissions officers see the full picture of a student, not just their grades or test scores. It's your opportunity to present a cohesive, authentic, and compelling application.